in the castle of the Crusaders in the city of Akko.
From the staircase that we were outside and things that were originally built on top. That's it. It starts again. Take a look. This is an old map of Akko, of Acre. Hospital, church, and domus informur, which is, and now we're entering into the ecclesia, into the church. See? Let's look at what the church looked like in those days. Look at the massive walls and arches, Gothic arches, pointed. See? Take a look at those massive doors they used to have. We found those handles. Take a look at once you enter. Now, I want you to see the staircase that we saw earlier. Take a look at it. Take a look at the staircase. There you go. Is the church that was standing on top. Underneath, the rooms, the dining room, where if you stayed on top, there was a church. That's why we have massive columns and arches in order to allow another structure on top. That's what a church looked like in those days. You go inside, the windows will pour the light in. That's why windows were long and narrow. The other functionalities were on the sides, and the monks that would lead the religious service would do so, as you can see. All right, follow me.